Most of the terms used to identify objects in Revit are common industry standard terms. However, some terms are unique to Revit. Understanding the following terms is crucial to understanding the software. In Revit, the project is the single database of information for your design, the Building Information Model, or what is known as BIM. The project file contains all of the information for the building design, from the geometry to the construction data. This information includes components used to design the model, views of the project, and drawings of the design. By using a single project file, Revit makes it easy for you to alter the design and have changes reflected in all associated areas, be it the plan view, elevation, section views, schedules, and so forth. Having only one file to track also makes it easier to manage the project. You build a Revit project by adding what are called elements. Revit uses three types of elements in the project. Model elements, which are doors, walls, and stairs. Datum elements, which are grids and levels. Or view-specific elements, which are tags, text, and dimensions. Elements are then organized into groups called categories. Now, a category is a group of elements with similar properties and functionality. For example, all of the walls in Revit are grouped into the walls category. The same applies for our doors, windows, and columns. Each category is then further organized into what are called families. A family is simply a subgroup which further sorts the elements in a category into a specific group based on a property. For example, the columns category is broken up into a round column family and a rectangular column family. Each family can have several types. A type can be a specific size of a family, such as a 450mm round column or a 600mm round column. These columns will have identical type properties other than the dimensions, and consequently are grouped into the same Revit family. Each time you place an element into Revit, you placed what's referred to as an instance of the element. Instances are the actual items, or known as individual elements, that are placed into the project and have specific locations in the building, known as model instances, or on a drawing sheet, known as annotation instances. So if you have 10 columns of the same type and you want to change the properties of just one column, you can edit the properties for just that one instance, and the changes will only affect the individual element. Still confusing? Don't worry. Everything will make sense as we progress through the course and build on our model.